We're going to install this big bad boy. Yeah, you like that? Front mount intercooler. Darkside developments. Yeah. Happy? I know you're happy about it. So matey boy kindly gave us his crash bar with it, so it should just be bolt on, bolt off, bolt on. Believe it's this bolt. One of these Torx heads of some sort. Hope I've got that one. And these two here, so 4 on each side I reckon. And let's have a go, see what happens. So these ones are T30 fit in there, and the big ones are just a standard 13mm socket. Both sides loose, and we've got this top one and this bottom one here, and that's loose. So this bit here sits behind there. I would normally join the crash bar onto with these two top and bottom ones. Because the intercooler is too big, we're going to cut it and flush with that. You don't even really need it. Them 4 hinge bolts on each side hold that crash bar in place. It's nothing really structural, it's just a hang. So, but I need these top bits for the bonnet catch. So I'm just going to cut it there and hope for the best. Yeah! Some cut a little bit back on. I'm gonna have a go trying to fit this. So now I'm happy that that it fits. Got to remove all the boost pipes and everything, and the intercooler. It's got to come off the old one and then reinstall, and then job's a good one. So there's the piddly little intercooler. Just got to come out. It's got that bolt on the top. That's the hose connector for the pipe, which is going to be a pig. Assuming that there's probably another bolt round the back here, I think. Just do it. So just about to pull the intercooler out without disconnecting everything. This, I have to get this out, and I had to remove the pancake pipe. Yeah, so that was in there like that. And you've got to get to these bayonet clips, unclip them to get the pipe out. I had to have the headlight out so I could fit the pancake pipe through, because these are solid. So I'm just about to pull the intercooler out. And there's that. Got this pancake pipe here. It needs to come off. But we're almost there. There's this pipe, and then there's one more pipe that you can see. Yeah, that red pipe at the back there. And that's it. Then that's all disconnected. Then it's to reconnect up all a new one and hang it. Pain in the ass. So I've got to figure out how these pipes go now. I've got three hard pipes and some joiners. Pretty sure this one goes down there like that. And I think this one is the main one to the turbo. It'll go up there like that. So I'm pretty sure this pipe goes down there, and that one's the top one connected, and then you've got the exit. That'll come back round. So that's all I can fathom today, I reckon. So yeah, everything's in, water bottle's in, everything's connected back up, headlights on, this pipe's done. And then we've got to do the turbo pipe under there. So it comes from here, comes from this front one, bends all the way around up into the turbo. But I've got to pack away all this crap and finish it off tomorrow. Maybe even get started. Busy day. Busy. Get in. Naughty puppy. Go on, in you get. Till tomorrow. So it's the next day. And basically this has got to fit on here, but this is in the way. And all this is just plastic. Well, it's actually fiberglass. Didn't realise. So I'm just cutting a chunk out here, and I'll have to cut a chunk out here, and it should fit. Mods. And then we can run the pipe up round the back, and I think I can just about get into the turbo up there to hose clamp it on. And jobs are good, and I think might have to modify the bumper a little bit, because I think the bumper has some bits of plastic sticking out the back, but that's easy enough. Don't mind cutting a bit of plastic, fine. Lightweight reduction. Now I can cut it to shape. Hopefully I don't have to do this bit as well, but I'm assuming I probably will. Let's see. Pipe now fits on. I'm just going to clean up these edges, because if you have vibrations over time, it will just wear through the pipe, but it fits. So that's all been modified now. Chamfered down all the ends of the file, so there's no sharp ends. So if the hose does rub on it and vibrate, it won't wear through. In fact, it doesn't even touch any of them places, so it's just a precaution. So I'm going to get this one on and then start going up around there with the turbo pipe. So I've hit a snag. So the pipe that I've got that goes on to the end of that turbo there, so you can see. Yeah, you see that turbo is the circle bit, and the pipe I've got isn't big enough to go over the out of it. So the old pipe actually, but it slots inside the housing. So now I've got to customize this pipe. So I've got to cut this end, cut the end off this here, so the other silicone hose can fit over the top of it like that, so I can Jubilee clip it up. Mate, this is going to come with more missions and more missions. Let's see how this works out now. This is my adapter, and it's that chop down hose, goes in like that, and that sits in there like that, and then I've got to go all the way in. There we go, and the hose clamp can go around there. And that's that done, ready to fit. And there we have it. Adapter hose, I'll call that. The adapter joiners in. That's the end of the hose there, at the end of this hard pipe. This goes into there, but unfortunately this big bracket for the old intercooler's in the way, so it's got to come off. I'm not messing around, I'm just going to chop it off with a hack. And there we have it, all linked up. All piped up to the turbo. There's some few modifications. I'm sure I'm going to have to cut some plastic off the bumper, so I'm not going to get too excited, but the car should run now, at least. So now the bumper doesn't fit, I've got to chop off some bits here and over here. We've got half the side to fit now, which is good. Cut out all that and there and up there, but it fits. This is all going to get meshed out like this, or like what's on the grill there anyway, so eventually I will just cut all this out and mesh it. So it's just this side now, so I've crudely marked it. Cut there, cut there, halfway up this pillar. I can't cut the whole pillar off because this is what the bracket, this is what holds my bumper on, so I've got to go leave as much chunk as possible because it will snap otherwise. So yeah, not long to go now. Mate, that was missions. So my caramelized bumper actually does fit the lines now. I can put it back on. That's good news. So there's a catch can installed. It's onto the battery box there, and hoses running from the inlet to the outlet, and it's got some gauze in there for catching the oil with. I'm going to secure it a bit better, but I just need to get it out. I've just literally got to put the wheel arches in That's like a few bolts, Allen keys, and then that's it done. I'll get it started up. Start up tomorrow. See if it works. Better.
What was that?
New gearbox oil in there.
Oh yeah?
Feels pretty
Shifty. Maybe you're the issue.
leg.
Quick smoke it.
Is it?
Like house smoke. A little bonfire. All the colours of the rainbow.
Whatever oil's been left in there.
It's alright, it looks fine. I think it'll be fine once you boot it a bit done.